But now this red beauty. Oops. Let's zoom out. It seems like the hood is not fully closed. Thank you for walking in front of my camera. So here, Dodge Viper RT10. First time I'm seeing this one here in flesh. I also own one of these, but in scale 1 to 18 from Burago. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. When have you seen one of these? Absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. Ford Capri Mark III. It's a Capri S. In German, we are, by the way, pronouncing it Capri. Ford Capri. Two to 3S. Nice. Oh, listen to that. So, also something that you do not get to see this often anymore. Suzuki Samurai. With a nice little top. Bikini top. For Tomless. So the hood is closed now. He was also noticing that for me, the driver or owner. Ah, stunning. RT10. That's so amazing. So amazing. Another Renault 4. I think it's already the fourth that I'm seeing today. Beautiful. So, once again at the motorcycles tuned up. Memories about the teenager times. Tuned up Mofa. Already filmed this one. What is this here? Caballero. That's interesting. What's that? Star Classic 50. It's a scooter. EFA, so it's from the German Democratic Republic. Ah, from Simpson. Once again, the Caballero. Oh, but this is a machine. Hoppala. There was something in the bench. Oh, this is a machine. It's a Chevy V8. What the F? Boss. Chevrolet. Oh, this is amazing. So, what do we have here? Thomas. Never heard about this one. 15 SLC. Ring ring. I'm loving this helmet. Very cool. I don't know what this is, but this is looking pretty old. Right-hand drive. Very interesting. But I have no clue what it is. Oh, Vauxhall 12.6.
Was?
Amazing.
80 Schrauben? Ah, wunderbar. Ah ja. Und sauber quer. So wie es gehört. Hast du denn eigentlich schon mal rot geguckt?
I don't know how long my battery will still last, but I'm trying to film everything. I forgot to recharge it. Anyway, Fiat 500 Giardiniera, so it's the wagon of the Fiat 500.
Ja, guck mal, da konnten wir auch zu zweit nebeneinander sitzen. Da ist keine 2 Meter breit, wie die eigentlich, ne, Auto.
Oh, here, beautiful. Alfa Romeo, Giulia. Also really a beauty. $1,300 Ti, very nice. What a nice wagon. So, and here, what a nice rooftop. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here is the normal Fiat 500 driving around.
Machen wir, ja. Wir gerade denken,
Curious where is he driving now? Yo, it's coming in. Beautiful. Sweet car. And even one more Fiat 500. Cinquecento. Not the L trim, as you can tell by the speedometer. Beautiful. Ford Model A. As you can tell by the fuel cap there. So someone is taking a photo. Done. So, beautiful. Very nice. Another beautiful BMW 02 series. Pre-facelift. So that's what it's looking like inside of an old 02. Pre-facelift means it has these round tail lights. Beautiful. Porsche 944 S2 second series. Also beautiful.